Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me the new Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and this tablet has got a new software update. So first of all, I will show you how to update the software, and then we will discuss about what this update is all about. So first of all, you have to go into the settings, okay? So settings icon, just select it, and once you enter into the settings, on your left side you will have to scroll down and you will see an option of software update. Okay, so you see the software update icon, just select it, and once you select it, on your right side you will see an option of download and install. So just select it, and once you select it, here you have all the information about this software update. And then if you scroll down, you will see the security patch level is still 1 May 2022, but the security of this device has been improved in this new update. The size of this software update is 436.04 MBs. Okay, and then we also have the device stability improvement and new and or enhanced features. So first of all, I will download it. So you have to select this download icon. So once you select it, it will start downloading, and then we will see what this update is all about. So guys, our tablet has been updated with the new software. So if I go back and I try to scroll, everything is working perfectly fine. Okay, and then if I go back to the software update information, so the overall stability of the device has been improved, and the security of device has been improved also. And this new software give you new or enhanced feature, further improve to performance, and they also include the bug fixes. If you want to know more about this update, you can just click on this link. So it will give you the information related to this update. Here it also say about the overall stability and the security, and it also give you the release date, which is 18 May 2022. So guys, after this you can also go to your Galaxy Store for your app updates. So from here you can go to Galaxy Store. Okay, and then here you see this menu option, just select it. Okay, and once you select it, you will see the information related to updates. So just select this one as well, and here you will have all your updates related to your apps. Okay, so just select this option of update all, and it will update all of your apps. So you will have all the new features included with more stability and more smoother function. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you very much.